Here is a 1999 15 horse Mercury that I acquired last winter. When I got it mechanically, it was in very good condition. Cosmetically, it was not. So I decided to have a little bit of fun with it and strip it down to its bones, clean up all the parts, sanded them, primed them, painted them, and clear coated them with the correct Mercury Quicksilver paint. I also put new OEM decals on it. The results are fantastic. I'm very happy with how it turned out. It looks really good. I'm very pleased with the quality of the Mercury paint. It was very easy to work with, even for someone who doesn't have a ton of experience painting like myself. However, mechanically, it got a lot of work too, mainly because of the extent that I tore down this motor. It got the normal tune-up items, so like full carburetor kit, including the primer diaphragm and fuel pump diaphragms. Completely new water pump kit on this one. New spark plugs. Got a new recoil rope in there. All new fuel lines, clamps, fuel filter cleaned. And upon disassembly, taking off the power head, I replaced both power head base gaskets that hold the midsection together. New exhaust gaskets. What else? New upper and lower motor mounts on the midsection because those were pretty old and brittle. Those weren't cheap. In the lower unit, it got a completely new seal kit as well as a brand new Mercury bearing carrier, as when the old one came out, it had a crack in it and it would have just allowed water in the gear case. So yeah, it got a pretty thorough job. I mean, just about every wear item you can think of on this thing has been done. Painted completely, and it turned out great. It was a lot of hours of work, but it was good experience and it was a fun project, and I'm finally getting a chance to getting it out on the boat and giving it a test run here on Lake Monona. So we'll start it up and show you just how nice this motor turned out. As many know, these motors are on a thermostat. I guess that's one thing I forgot to mention. It also got a new thermostat. They also have an idle adjust here. You can turn it up and down. Shifting on these is in the handle, so it's moving on over to forward. There it is, idling in gear. It just purrs very nicely. We'll rev it up here and show it going at full throttle. Smooth, quiet, and strong runner. Go back to neutral, into reverse. Yeah, it's very strong. When the power head came off, I even went as far as to decarbon the exhaust in the midsection and on the power head side, so it cleared up a lot of the carbon buildup that just comes with normal operation over the years. Power head was in great shape, 120 on compression. I think it just probably sat outside most of its life. I think it was a cabin motor, so it got a good refresh, and hopefully it's got many good years left in it. Thanks everybody for watching, and have a good day.